What up, gang? Got you a cool new episode. This one's gonna be, the one, the only, Mesa Muertos. Alright, gang, well, no further ado but to just open it, and there it goes. So, anyway, I'm so happy I got this finally, and I don't even know how to do this. I think it goes like this. Oh my gosh. And then I go like this, I believe. Booyah. Alright, no further ado. So, let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or, I think it was 4. I think it was 3 actually. Bazoo, the Soul Devourer. Ritual of the Mirror. Lightwater Dragon. Garcia. Vampire Shuridan. Lightning Storm. And Vortex of Time. Alright, next pack. One, 2, 3. Dark Lord. Santa Claus. Oh shit. Dark Lord Morningstar. Cutila. Dark Lord Rebellion. And a Chaos Distilled. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about my videos or the set that is the Mesa Muertos. And thank you for being on this journey with me, and let's get some good cards here, and let's do this together. Oh my goodness, that was like our first secret rare. But we're still trying to chase for that Starlight rare of Uriah. The Egyptian God card, I believe. And not only that, all of the collector rares. Illusion Gate? What? What is this? Oh wow, I didn't even notice that was a secret rare as well. Alright, one more pack and we're gonna end the video. Hopefully we get something. Heart of God. So pretty. Alright guys, see you later. Peace.